Assalamualaikum everyone. Today I'm going to do a skit where Janu is a fake news actor. Let's talk about how royal Britain is before the war between Russia and Ukraine. Britain had already decided to leave the EU. They had some of the world's top universities like Oxford or Cambridge on Sussex, so they should be the most well informed about global affairs. After all, they were once the largest empire in history, and they must have known that energy prices like gas price and energy price would skyrocket being so high, and they definitely knew that completely switching from gasoline cars to EVs to at such a time would make the country even worse off, and yet they still went ahead and stood by their former ally like EU, making sure to provide bread with how admired they are. Let's continue to support our senior Britain. But this type of humor is tough. Explain it in the next post. Shukriya और पेमलेंगे.